Hi, hello all. Welcome to our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, and do subscribe and hit a like button and get into the topic. Amazon is hiring for a 2021 batch without any minimum experience required. And the job role is test associate. As we know that Amazon is one of the biggest company in the world and company name is Amazon Inc. And the company website is, if you want to apply, go for directly into the website, or I will provide the link in the description. You can check there. And the job role is content test associate. If you get selected into the job and your job is based on content test associate, and the experience required, there is no minimum or maximum experience required. 0 to anything you want, you have, no worry, you can apply freely for this job. And coming to salary, if you are selected for the salary, there is a HR round. There your salary will be decided based on your requirements, and based on their requirements you both can settle the salary while the HR round is going on. And the job description: device associate at Amazon Alexa test, cutting edge application and products at the user level. This is the, you can go through this all the job description mentioned here. I also provide this all the things in the description. In the roles and responsibility, you want to be a good communication skills and English proficiency, and you want to be a excellent verbal skills. You want to convince the customers, you want to build a software tools and be comfortable with the capturing results, and you want to be accurate and fast learner also, so that you can develop. And they require the strong knowledge in language vocabulary. As I said, you want to be in perfecting vocabulary, grammar, and comfortable communication on emails. You must be a good in email communication. And coming to basic educational qualification, if you have a educational qualification of BTech or BE in computer science, or BA or BCom graduates with equivalent combination of technical education, and you have work experience certificate, you can provide in the interview time. If you don't have work experience, don't worry, get your resume and be updated with that. And the preferred qualification, they require the preferred qualification of knowledge of web technology, that means like HTML, CSS languages, and you want to know about the software testing environment. If you are good at this, then this job is perfectly suit for you. If you don't have these skills, you can still manage by preparing well in this 1 month of time. And shifts, if you are selected into this job, the time and the days of working in a week will be 5 days in a week, and the 2 days will be the holidays. And the rotational shift will be continuously. That means 3 months be morning shift and 3 months will be night shift, like that. Documents, if you have the 2021 batch out document, you can provide that marks memo. If you don't have, don't worry, ask your college members that provide a demo mark sheet, like consolidated mark memo, so that you can provide this. And if you have the work experience documents, if you don't have, don't worry, if you have, provide the month pay slip, that means salary slip, pan card details, passport size photograph, and the relieving letter. And I provide the apply link in the bio, like description, you can go through it. And thank you for watching, and all the best, and I hope luck follows you. Thank you.